Hey there, it's Lori Jean, and after I purchased this 4Patriots survival food, emergency food, I had two questions. How easy is it to cook, and what does it taste like? So we're going to find out. In this packet, we've got maple brown sugar with oatmeal, we've got America's Finest mac and cheese, and we've got creamy rice vegetable dinner, but we are going to start out with the maple brown sugar. Looks like we just poured into 8 cups of boiling water, whisk it, cook 2 to 3 minutes, remove from heat, and let stand for 3 minutes. Let's go cook! Now that is a lot of oatmeal. So I've opened up the mac and cheese pouch, and one thing I did not mention with the oatmeal is to remove the oxygen absorber pack that's in there. Our water is boiling, so let's go. That's 4 servings worth. Next up is our creamy rice and vegetable dinner. Okay, it is the moment of truth. It is taste test time. Let's start with our maple brown sugar oatmeal. So this is 8 servings. You can see it's quite a bit. Each serving 210 calories. This is a lot of oatmeal. So let's give it a shot. So the oatmeal tastes like oatmeal. You can't really get a strong taste of the maple. It's a little bit more bland. So let's move on to America's Finest mac and cheese. That's very ambitious, don't you think? This is 4 servings, 260 calories per serving. Tastes like boxed mac and cheese. No better, no worse. Tastes like something you would bring home from the grocery store. So let's move on to our final entree, the creamy rice and vegetable dinner. This is 4 servings, and it is 260 calories per serving. Now, of all of them, that has the most flavor. That actually tastes quite good. That of all of them is my favorite. Not bad at all. In fact, I would actually eat that. But the whole point of this emergency food, it's not going to be gourmet. It's not going to be top of the line for taste. It is for emergencies. It is designed if you need to have rations during a flood or a disaster or whatever. And this stuff is, hopefully, you will never have to open, because it has such a long shelf life that you will never have to access this emergency food. But it's a smart idea to have it on hand just in case, because you never know what's going to happen. And I am going to keep loading up on this. I buy it regularly, and I'm just going to keep growing my pantry with this emergency food.